The Fed's going to be kicking off its last two-day Fed meeting of the year tomorrow. And ahead of that, we have results of the final CNBC Fed Survey of 2022. Steve Leisman joins us with that. Steve, good morning.
Morning, Andrew. Yeah, the Fed is seen hiking 50 basis points at the meeting this week and adding another 75 next year, and causing what 2/3 of the respondents to the CNBC Fed Survey believe will be a recession. But there is a small contingent, we'll look at that in a second, that's optimistic a contraction of the economy can be avoided. Here are what we call the Fed expectations. 50 this week. The new rate is going to be 4.25 to 4.5. The peak rate is seen at 5.15. That's higher than the Fed funds futures market. So this group of 34 folks think they're going to be a more aggressive Fed. The final hike comes in April, and then the Fed cruises at that speed, at that rate for 9 months. Here's the outlook from this group. 388 now goes to 438. That's between 4.25 and 4.5. 5.15 is the peak rate. And then some adjusting going on towards the end of the year, and maybe some rate cuts through 2024, ending at 380 for December 2024. Here's the recession outlook. 61% think there's going to be a recession in the next year. The average start date is in June of 2023. That is, by the way, 2 months later than the prior survey. And we've seen that in some of the Wall Street forecasts, pushing it down the road. Average length is a pretty long one, 15 months, with 67% believing it will be moderate, and about 33% think it's going to be mild. Here's the GDP outlook, and you can see 2 quarters of negative growth built in Q2 and Q3 of next year. Again, that's a quarter later for the 2 negative quarters there. But here's a little bit of optimism here. Does the Fed tighten too much, we ask, and cause a recession? That's 59%. That's down from 71%. Is it just right? And there's that contingent of optimists right there. 24% think the Fed gets it just right. That's up from 9%. It had been higher in the past. And does the Fed tighten too little and not get inflation under control? 15% down from 20. So a little bit more optimism in there. Recession, though, remains the base case for most of the 34 respondents. But there's that contingent believing the Fed might get it right, or it will be a mild downturn. The outlook, of course, guys, could change tomorrow with a hotter than expected CPI. Andrew?
Okay. Steve Leisman, we appreciate it. We will see what Mr. Powell says later this week. I'm waiting for your questions, what you're going to ask.
Me too.
He doesn't want to say, doesn't want to reveal, give away his hand.
No,
Thank you, Steve.
Really, Andrew. A lot depends on whether, how hawkish or how dovish he is, and what we can learn, from his opening statement and from the Fed statement about the outlook. It's one of those things that you kind of make a game time decision on, with especially something like this, because remember last time the statement was more dovish, and he came out kind of guns blazing on the hawkish side. So I think the questioning was along those lines, the difference between the statement and what I thought was the chairman's more hawkish view.